Guys, in today's video, I gathered 3 Prodigy legends who were extremely overpowered. And today, they are going to be versing me in a series of 3 different Prodigy battles. Guys, who is going to win these battles? Make sure you watch until the very end to find out. And let's get started. Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today, I'm going to be doing 3 insane battles versus 3 different Prodigy legends. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I have 3 Prodigy legends right here.
Are you sure about that?
And today, I'm going to be battling each one of them in some intense Prodigy battles. Now guys, if I lose these battles, I'm going to have a huge consequence. So make sure you stick into the end to see what I have to do, guys. It was bad, let me tell you. And without any further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's welcome in our very first Prodigy legend, Megan of the Sea. Let's check her out real quick. Mira's hood, Mira's staff, the Mira's robes, and the duelist boots. And she's level 100, guys.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
Talk about a Prodigy legend. Let's battle her. Alrighty guys, what? She has 2 Shiver Tusks. Are you being serious right now? What? She has 2 Shiver Tusks, guys. If they are level 100, guys, that is not looking good for us. Guys, that's crazy. I've only seen a Shiver Tusk once, but she has 2 Shiver Tusks on her team.
Yo, that's crazy.
This is a Prodigy legend. Oh my god.
Bruh.
Guys, we're starting off pretty good, but unfortunately, she does have the health advantage. But, you know, it is okay? We are going to try our best to win this battle, and I have faith, okay? I have faith that we're going to come out on top if we try our absolute hardest. Alrighty, guys, next spell is off.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, that is pretty good, I'm not going to lie. But, oh my gosh, 4,168. She's just doing so much damage, guys. The Prodigy legend is beating me right now. Alrighty, we took her out, guys. That is a good sign. Okay, that is what I like to see. But the problem is, guys, is our hot pot is losing some of our health, man. She is just too much of a legend. What can I say? Guys, final spell. I'm not gonna lie, I've kind of given up hope here. She's just too much of a legend, guys. I couldn't handle her.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
So I'm hoping that the other Prodigy legends are a bit easier, but unfortunately, no, we have lost the battle. No, that means I have to do a forfeit. Guys, wait until the end of the video. Guys, wait until the end of the video to see what that forfeit is. But guys, I am not looking forward to it. If you guys want to see me in torture, guys, I guess just wait till the end and see how many more forfeits I have to do. Alrighty guys, so we kind of just took an L, but that is the reason why I invited 3 Prodigy legends instead of just 1. Now we are going to battle Christopher, Knight Leader. Alrighty guys, player versus player. Oh! Okay, those are some pretty cool pets, and those are some legend pets, I must say. So wow, that is actually really cool. Guys, I'm pretty sure he has a batter bot, as that looks like. And I'm actually not sure of the other pet, but if it's level 100, guys, it qualifies as being a legend, so I'll let it pass. What a legend in the making right here. Alright, oh my god. We only have 7,000 health, guys. This guy is destroying us right off the bat. Oh my gosh, no. He got the next one right, which means he did take us out. But we took him out also. So right now, we are about even with this Prodigy legend, guys. I am hoping for a dub here. Alrighty guys, I was trying to stay positive, but to be honest with you, I just remembered. That means I have to do another punishment at the end of this video. This is just piling up worse and worse, guys. I have one more battle left until I have to do my punishment, so let's hope I win this one, and let's hope at the end of this video it is not too bad.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got
12 seconds later.
So guys, it was now time. I lost the battles, and then I had to do the punishment, guys. It was absolutely terrible, and I had to drink 3 full spoons of the hottest sauce that I can find in my house. Enjoy me getting tortured. Please leave a like on this video, guys, and subscribe to the people down below who helped me in this video. Anyway, enjoy the absolute torture montage. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.